Hello everyone. Today I just got my new flashlight. It is Peetpen, Peetpen L21. Okay. This flashlight I got it quite cheap, and why I bought this flashlight is the Osram P8 LED. Okay. I think maybe Wuben may produce this one. Okay, L21. It's quite a good flashlight. It's a budget flashlight. It looks solid. It looks good quality. Okay, and it comes with Osram P8, and the reflector is quite different from other flashlight. It seems like smooth and OP reflector. Okay, together in this reflector. Okay. Near the LED, you see that it looks like orange peel reflector, and then smooth reflector together in this one. Okay, let's see the beam shot. Okay, here is the highest. Wow, Osram P8. Low. Okay, this is low. Let me show you low. Okay, low. Good hotspot and good spill, I think. Low is you can use low for walking around. Okay, this is medium. Medium is good. Okay, medium is good for walking around. I can see things quite clear. Okay, I think it can throw maybe about 200 meters. Okay, wow, this is low. Okay, oh, medium, sorry, this is medium. Okay, let's go to high. Okay, just 3 brightness level. High. Okay, high is really good. Okay, good enough for cycling. Okay, or walking around. Okay, if you double press from on, okay, it will go to strobe. Here, strobe. Another double press is SOS. Here, like this. Okay. Wow, it's good enough for walking around. For cycling, it throws quite well. Wow. Okay, let's see some other beam shots in the forest. Okay, now I'm walking around in the forest. Wow, this is the highest mode. I have to say that it's quite good. It's a budget flashlight, quite cheap. Wow. When I test it in my house, okay, the first time I just thought that it isn't a bright flashlight. It say 1,500 lumens, okay, but I think it doesn't reach 1,500. Maybe just about 900 or 1,000, okay, around that, okay. But anyway, wow. Here, low, okay, medium. Medium is enough, okay, for walking around. And this is the highest. Wow, see that? Good throw, okay, and good spill. Wow, really good. I really like Osram LED. It's getting hot, but not too hot. Okay, now it's getting warm. Seems fine. Okay, overall, I think Peetpen is another interesting flashlight. Okay, it's good quality. Okay, and throw really well. You can use it as a backup flashlight. Okay, really good to use in the forest, cycling. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.